Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that aims to revolutionize your garage experience, the Genie QuietLift Connect, a Wi-Fi smart garage door opener. We found this product online and included the link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Genie QuietLift Connect? This is not just your ordinary garage door opener, it's a smart device loaded with features designed to enhance convenience and security. With its ultra-quiet operation, it's perfect for homes with attached garages, ensuring that you won't have to deal with any disruptive noise when coming or going. Let's jump into some of the standout features. First off, the Genie QuietLift Connect operates with a powerful 3/4 horsepower DC motor, allowing it to lift sectional garage doors up to 7 feet tall and weighing up to 500 pounds. If you have a taller door, there's an optional extension kit that can accommodate doors up to 8 feet. The steel-reinforced belt drive system adds an extra layer of durability and strength, making this opener not only efficient but also long-lasting. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Genie QuietLift Connect is its smart technology. With the integrated Aladdin Connect feature, you can monitor, open, and close your garage door from anywhere using your smartphone. This connectivity means you can let the delivery person in while you're at work or check if you left the door open after you've already driven away. Plus, it's compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice-controlled operation. Just imagine telling your smart assistant to close the garage door while you're busy with your hands full. It's that easy. Installation is another area where this product shines. The Genie QuietLift Connect features a strong 5-piece rail system that snaps together effortlessly, making it user-friendly even for those who might not consider themselves DIY experts. The lightweight design means there's no added hardware needed, and the pre-programmed remotes come ready to use right out of the box, which eliminates any extra steps or frustration during setup. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you live in a home with an attached garage, particularly if you have family members who might be sensitive to noise, this garage door opener could be a game-changer. It's also ideal for tech-savvy individuals who appreciate the convenience of smart home technology. Whether you're a busy parent, a frequent traveler, or just someone looking to enhance your home security, the Genie QuietLift Connect meets various needs. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're coming home late at night after a long day. Instead of fumbling with keys and worrying about waking up the kids, you can simply use your smartphone to open the garage door as you pull into your driveway. Or, if you've got a friend or neighbor stopping by to pick up a package, you can grant them access without having to be there, just open the door remotely. It's all about making your life a little easier and more secure. In summary, the Genie QuietLift Connect is an impressive smart garage door opener that combines quiet operation, smart technology, and easy installation, making it a great choice for any homeowner looking to upgrade their garage system. Thanks for watching. If this video